Hello everyone, welcome to GKS community. So in last video we saw about p-value, null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. So in this video we are going to see what is alpha error, what is beta error, that is type 1 and type 2 error. So basically what is type 1 or alpha error? So type 1 error is the error which it's your study supposed to accept the null hypothesis. Instead of that, it is rejecting null hypothesis. It's showing false positive. Truly, there is a no effect, but due to some alpha error, so there is a false positive test in your study. So this is type 1 error or alpha error. So then what is type 2 error? Type 2 error or beta error. So type 2 error in your study, that means the study supposed to reject the null hypothesis. Instead of that, it is accepting the null hypothesis. It is showing the false negative result in your study. So basically this type 1 and type 2 error, it should be addressed in every study. So why this is important and how to handle this alpha and beta errors. So basically alpha error, usually we while calculating sample size we are taking alpha error as 5% and beta error as 20%. So 5% alpha error is the ideal thing we have to take for sample size calculations. So 5% of chance my study is going to give the alpha error, that is false positive results. Okay, so 20% of chance that my study is going to give a false positive results. Means your study supposed to reject the null hypothesis, but instead of that it is accepting the null hypothesis. Okay, so what happens if the beta error is, so if you think beta error we are taking as 20%, so why we can't take it as 10% or 5%? Okay, because 20% is ideal here. Why? Because if you increase the beta error, sorry, if you decrease the beta error to 20 to 10%, okay, so that will leads to increase the power of the study. So what is power? So power of the study means 1 minus beta error. That is, suppose in 100% we are taking 20% as a beta error, so 80% is a power of the study. Okay, so why we can't take less than 20%? This is because if we take less than 20%, that will leads to increase in power of the study. So what is power of the study? So what is power? So power of the study means how likely your study is going to detect the true effect. So this is called power, or chance of avoiding your beta error. So this is called power. Okay, power of the study is that your chance of eliminating the beta error of the study is called power, that is 1 minus beta error. Okay, so basically you have to take 20% is the ideal. If you are taking less than the 20%, that will leads to increase in power of the study. The power of the study increases, sample size also leads to increase, that will cause unnecessary increase in cost and waste in resources. Okay, so basically this is the difference between type 1 error and type 2 error. So as you can see here, this summarized table, you can refer. This is what I discussed earlier, this summarization of what is type 1 error, type 2 error, and what is power. Okay, so so thank you everyone. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.